This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Hikvision USB joystick for the PTZ cameras. This particular model is DS-1005KI. Let's open this one up and have a look. So inside the box we have a driver CD and the joystick itself. So this one is the USB version. They have another one that's that's controlled with TCP/IP and all that other stuff, and then another fancy one. But this is the USB version. It's a 3-axis gimbal, and then you have numbers 1 through 9 at the bottom and a bunch of other function buttons. And when you plug it in, it lights up. So currently it's saying the firmware version on it. But you can go to all your different presets and whatnot and control your PTZ from there. So there you have it. Once again, that was the Hikvision USB PTZ joystick, model DS-1005KI by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.